Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Tempshield Cryo-Gloves. Yeah. Now the Cryo-Gloves here, what they're used for is intense cold. If you're going to be working in a freezer or anything like that, dealing with really low temperatures, you can use these. These work very well. Now, when I say cold, you can use these for extreme cold, like liquid nitrogen, which is really, really cold. I mean, it is below minus 100. It's even colder than that. You know, you can use these kind of gloves when you work with that. Now, I'm not saying you can put these on and put your hands in liquid nitrogen, like put it under the liquid nitrogen. I mean, you can put it in there, but you can't keep it there. If you keep it there, it's going to get through and you're going to freeze. But the liquid nitrogen gas, which is extremely cold also, you can use these to keep your hands from freezing. So that's what I use them for. I've been using these kind of gloves in extreme cold temperatures for probably over 15 years, and I've always used the Tempshield gloves to do that. They withstand the cold very, very good. They keep your hands nice and warm, and yeah, and they're very soft inside. They're very cushiony. Using gloves that have this kind of thickness on the inside, it makes it a little hard if you need to write something or something like that. But I mean, it does the basic job that you need it to do as far as, you know, lifting things or moving things around, placing like different items in and out of the cold temperatures, things like that. But if you're going to try to, you know, write something while you're doing this, it gets a little hard to do that. I mean, you could do it, but it's kind of a struggle. These gloves last pretty long. I'll probably go through a pair before, like maybe in, like from brand new, if I use these all the way for like maybe 3 years or something like that, you might start to see a little tear in the seams a little bit, not in all of them, but like maybe in one part or the other. Depends how hard you are on the gloves, how hard you are on them. I mean, what kind of stuff you're actually doing. But with the work that I do, I'll start to see kind of a tear a little bit in, you know, one of the seams or two, you know, and over about a little over 2 years. I'll still use them. I mean, you can still use it like that, but I'll probably be thinking about getting some more. I'm buying another set. I have several of these, so yeah, and I use them in my line of work. So yeah, these work very well, and I've used them a long time. I've never used any other kind of cryogenic glove other than the Tempshield ones. They also come to, you can see where this ends right here at right below my wrist, but you can get these that go all the way up to your elbow, which is right there. Yeah, you can get them that long. I don't like those because I have like 2 pair of those. I don't like them because you can't get them off real fast. And a lot of times if the temperatures get crazy, I mean, and the gloves have been overused, meaning if say like you get liquid nitrogen on the glove and you like, or maybe you put your hand in the liquid nitrogen or something and it like is in there just too long and you need to get the glove off really fast, it's harder to do that when the glove is really long like that. So I don't typically like to use those. These are perfect. You can also get the ones that actually grab around the wrist area, like a kind of like, you know, it hugs the wrist, you know. I don't really like those either for the same reason, because it's harder to get them off when you really need to get them off. When it's open like this, these are my favorites. When you when they're open like this at the bottom, you know, where it's wide, you can just pull these off, no problem. Yeah, they're really good gloves, and I used them for a long time. I have several pair, and I've used them for many years, and they really do the job. They keep your hands warm when they need to be, and they're completely waterproof, and you should get a lot of good use out of them. All right, well, that is the Tempshield Cryo-Gloves. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.